Hello. I am at Resurrection. It's this big concert thing. I'm also at a cabin. See, there's my window. My roommate Molly is currently at the rec center with pretty much everyone else. And I'm bored. So I'm watching Fear That Pants. If you can see that, which I think you could, but I don't know. So, quick update. I'm at Resurrection 2013. So, yep. It's pretty cool. The speaker lady, Lisa, is, well, she's no Reggie Dabbs. He was the guy last year. But, she's pretty cool. So, I just wanted to say that, and I guess I'll go now. But, just wanted to let you all know that I am planning to, cosplay Grell Sutcliffe from Black Butler, or Kuroshitsuji, depending on how you call it. I don't have a very Grell-like face, in my opinion. It's a little too circular. My nose is a little too flat. But, I don't know. Maybe I can do something to fix it, or maybe I can just go along with it. So, yeah, I guess look for that. Maybe after that, I'll do a couple of Italia, and then go back and modify it and make it the Cheshire Cat girl, Ciel in Wonderland. Yeah, because that's just fabulous. And I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go. Peace. I don't know what that was. Peace. I will talk to you later. Bye.